Welcome to Toolkit number 1, What is Rare Action Network? In this toolkit, we'll provide you an overview of the mission and goals of the Rare Action Network and how it could benefit you in your local community. Since it was founded, NORD has worked hard to ensure that the rare disease patient voice is at the table when important federal policy and regulatory decisions are made. However, more recently, we've recognized the need to build a network of rare disease advocates across the country in order to address policy issues at the local level. Today, with over 32 years of leadership in federal policy and regulatory affairs, we've launched the Rare Action Network to ensure that policy needs and advocacy needs are met regardless of where rare disease patients live. The overall goal of the Rare Action Network is to ensure that the rare disease community is represented and supported in all 50 states. However, we know that NORD can't be everywhere at once, and so to implement RAN, we are working with our 250 plus patient organization members and many of our Rare Disease Day advocates to develop a nationwide grassroots advocacy network. We also recognize that not all rare disease issues can be resolved through public policy, and so RAN was designed to extend beyond legislative action and includes many other important activities, such as educating local medical communities and promoting rare disease education in schools and universities. This is a photo from Rare Disease Day in Hawaii. The advocates here are sharing the proclamation that was passed in the legislature recognizing Rare Disease Day 2016. And it really goes to show the extent to which NORD is expanding to reach every state, no matter how far away. In its first year, Rare Action has achieved a lot. This is an overview of our various activities and also an example of the different initiatives you could partner with Rare Action on. So what does Rare Action mean for rare disease advocates? Ultimately, RAN is a service for you and the rare disease community. You can use the network to 1. Learn about new legislation and regulations in Congress and your state that may affect you. 2. Influence federal and state policy decisions. 3. Connect with other rare disease advocates in your community. 4. Learn more about rare diseases and the legislative process to become an even better advocate. 5. Work directly with NORD staff to develop new policy initiatives. And 6. Find tools and guides to support the advocacy work you are already doing. As the Rare Action Network has grown, we have developed and are implementing a set of core values. We believe these are important for guiding our work in the community wherever we operate. These values are collaboration, integrity, empowerment, sustainability, and respect. So as always, stay tuned to rareaction.org for the latest updates and new resources that are helpful to you and your community. However, there are a couple things that are specific to RAN that you should be on the lookout for. 1, our state and federal legislative tracker, which is published on the Rare Action website. This gives you an overview of all the legislation NORD is currently working on and different topics that may be of interest to you or your organization. In addition, on our web portal, there are going to be more toolkits like this one, all of our official NORD policy statements, key contacts for NORD staff to help you better understand these advocacy tools and work to develop new policy initiatives, and of course an event opportunities calendar. Please also make sure to follow Rare Action on Twitter at @RareAction, where you can find daily news updates, photos, and information about different happenings going on at NORD. Thank you for viewing this toolkit, and as always, to learn more, connect to rarediseases.org and rareaction.org. You can also follow us on Twitter at @RareDiseases and @RareAction.